This project is a masterpiece beside Marmara Sea. Seafront project, 0 meter from Marmara Sea, stunning open sea view on Marmara Sea, a sea transportation that can take you from here to each part of Istanbul. Today we are talking about a lifestyle, no investment today guys. It's about luxury lifestyle. It's about high quality area in high quality zone in Istanbul. Atakoy, which belongs to Bakırköy municipality. In today's one, we are between two 5-star hotels. G Marriott Hotel from this side, and from next side we have Hyatt Regency 5-star hotel. Today's one, we are talking about luxury lifestyle, luxury amenities, a luxury lifestyle guys. I'm inside now a 2-bedroom apartment, 155 square meter, the gross square meter of it on Marmara Sea. For today's project that we were talking about, 0 distance from Marmara Sea, luxury lifestyle. Here is a breathtaking open view with a big terrace on Marmara Sea. Guys, if you have been looking for something close to Marmara Sea in the center of Istanbul, if you are searching for a lifestyle, if you are searching for something high quality luxury in Istanbul, get in touch with me. My name is Mustafa, a real estate agency from Istanbul, Turkey, with more than 7 years experience. Don't forget also to hit the subscription button down. Always guys, I have new videos for you. Thank you so much guys for watching.